Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video as an update on gold again. So let's get started here. This one, gold daily chart. Um, and my previous chart was like, well, this is the live chart. And let me see if I have it. Well, I don't have a monthly chart here. Okay, so this was the chart basically. So when we were here, I made the chart. Let me show you some. I think I opened the previous old charts here. See, this was the chart, but in fact, even before that, I made this one, right? So this is July 24th. And we're supposed to be going to the upside here to 2561, right? That was the idea. This is wave three ending, A, B, C, wave four, and then we are rising from there for the wave five. And then again, after went up a little bit, came down, hit the TL, then it started to go up, and I made this chart that we're gonna be going to the upside here. So we are here, right? So we rise and we kind of like ranging into this area. So this could be the end of it, or maybe going to the upside. What happened is that the US dollar started to get strong because after hitting the my target, my final target was this 0698. So you can see that it hit the target, and kind of like posting this week is all bullish, right? So it rises from there, but doesn't have to be going all the way again. It may drop even more again next week, right? So it's just a matter of what kind of funding we're going to get. But we have to be very careful. It may rise altogether, right? So what happened is that when you hit like this, it drop like this, like big powerful drop, then you rise because of the level, but then you go back again and test it, right? So if that happens here, right? Let me show you that if I make this chart like a 4-hour chart and just completely plain, then you will see what is cooking there at the bottom. You see that? So it came down here at 0698 is right there, right? You see that? This is 0698. So first it hit this, then went up, came down. So it's like a small head and shoulder. A small head and shoulder pattern here, you can see, right? And then it it rose there, and then this low here stopped it. Then it dropped to this high. Then it went up into this area, in this congestion area, right? So even if it is going to the upside like this, and I can count maybe like it'll be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then ABC can come to the downside, and it will come down here one more time, testing this area, and then maybe go to the upside, if not down, right? So there is a very big possibility that next week USD will drop again, right? It is just not going to go in a straight line and V shape, right? Very, very big pressure to the downside. So it may go down for wave two. That's the bottom line. So if the US dollar and gold are, directly connected to each other, right? So what will happen to the to this if US dollar start to get weaker again? The reason that it start ranging here because the US dollar start to get strong, right? And the gold is keep trying to go down. But if US dollar start to get weaker again next week, then very good chance that this thing will pop to the upside here anyway. So this is what it's now. Let me open up a little bit more and show you the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart of gold, the same thing. And this is right now we have 1, 2, and after that, the story is big already going on. So this black count 1, 2, and then you have 1, 2, and then we have 3 is going on. And where the heck this thing is gonna go and end, I don't have right now. But I can see that this is what's happening currently in for our chart. That these are the highs. These couple of price drop after the news, 10 o'clock in the morning, U.S. dollar red news, and then it maybe red or orange, and then it drop here right to this low, and then start to rise. If it goes up, and then if somehow we can break this range when next week started, then we can go easily to this upside. This is 2561 line, so it is not too far. We can easily go and hit that, right? If you pull the extension, then you can see what is happening here, right? It is just above. This is 127. This is 161. In between is 141. So that is the area that we might be able to go easily. if we hold above this area, right? Even if we drop a little bit more, then you have this high to deal with, and then this one and this one, right? And then this low. So a lot of wood to chop to the downside, but to the upside, this only this area here and this high, last high we made 25.31, and after that, the way will be clear, and we can go and hit 25.61 or higher. That's what I think for the last next week. Uh, the chart that I was working on was like I made two charts. This one is a harmonic pattern and possibilities, either up, going up from here all the way, or coming down and make a girdle pattern, then go to the upside. And then the other same time I made the chart that maybe it will come down, but not all the way here. And instead of that, it will come down here to this level and then bounce and then go to the upside. So far, what happened to this chart? This is the one that is playing out right now. The price has not come down at all, right? It is ranging into this area. And how it look like is this is how it look like. Okay, so that drop here, and then it's supposed to be going up and then come down here to 23% line. So it came down to 38%, then bounced back exactly the same high, and then bounced back down to this low and got stopped. So what the heck is that? So this A, B, C, usually I didn't open the chart, but let me just show you quickly that what it is. It is like it is doing this. It's a flat correction. Usually it comes in wave 4, right? After, it's a big wave, and then you have A, B, C. But sometimes it falls into wave 2 as well. So if this is wave 1, some kind of wave 1, and then this is a flat correction, then we can easily pop to the upside. Or this is A, and then A, B, C, B, and then wave C will end up around 25.61 when we're coming back next week. 25.09 is a big level, right? So it is crisscrossing that level right now, right? Up and down and up and down and up and down. So let's see when the market opens up. If you draw the fib between these two, then what do you see? Let me see. Just whoops. How is it? That's exactly what happened, right? So it just poked into the TL a little bit, but then it is back inside a little bit, right? So this is one thing that we have to see. This is the low here that we have to worry about. The should not go below that, right? So it all depends on the USD strength or whatever the news we're gonna get. But this is how new pattern look like. A harmonic pattern is messed up, right? It didn't go all the way fast enough, and then now, in Elliott wave perspective, this is what I see. Wave 1, ABC, maybe 2, and then followed by 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Or this could be A, B, C, B, and C here, 25.61, and that would be the end of the story. 25.61, it should be here somewhere. 25.61. Okay, it's right there, right? So this is 25.61 falls. And if you look the fib expansion, this, and then this, then you see this is 100% and this is 127%. So this is exactly, this could be the area that we can easily go. We must stay above this. Or if not, then maybe, there was another level on the 4-hour chart just below that. Or it may come down, maybe, this high here, which is 24.83. But that should be it. It should not go below that. If it is going below that, then maybe turning to the downside. All right. So time will tell what is going to happen, but we'll pay attention. But this is the main chart here, the daily chart, and we are above it. And right now, the current chart that I made for my subscribers, I'm going to post that on the Telegram as well. And it's this. All right. All right, so this is it for now. I'm going to be opening, my son is going to be opening a new Telegram channel, and it's going to be like a signal service, which I never wanted to do it. because I have too many things and I'm doing one-on-one and this and that. So I can't just keep up with, just sitting down there and then posting signals. I do on my Telegram all the time. Like, for example, today when the gold making a 20-minute short, right? So I posted it here. And then, and I said GJ and EJ went long. So beautiful trades. Not big trade, but, 60, 70 pip trades over there. And then gold, I said making a short, and then you can see here, this is the short that I was talking about, and it went down all the way, from 25.15 to 24.97, right? So this is what happened in my Telegram, and he will open a separate Telegram channel, and it will be a paid service, and obviously he will be posting gold most of the time, and I will be helping him out with different things, right? Forex pairs and Bitcoin and gold, and maybe sometime in DICE, but not too many things, right? So I don't want to do it on my own name, my own Telegram, because of some legal problems, right? But he has nothing to lose, so he can do it, and people want to sue him, no problem, right? So yeah, that can happen. No big deal. So he said, okay, I'll do it. I said, okay, no problem. I'll be in the background helping you out, and do it, because a lot of people in need of that. It's a lot of people working and they cannot be seeing, charts and all of that. Unless some people really want to learn, then what you can do is that you can go on my website here, right? You have you can actually turn white and black. So yeah, you can have one-on-one coaching here, 10-hour course, 5-hour course, and then these are video courses here available. Powerful courses. Why? Because in these courses, what you learn basically, let me show it to you quickly. This is what you learn. You see this. This is, for example, harmonic pattern X, A, B, C, D. Then within that, you have this pattern, this yellow count X, A, B, C, D, right? Then within that, you have Elliott wave is like wave one. This is wave two. Wave two can come here and then go straight to the upside for wave three, or maybe from here it goes to the upside from. Then you have white wave count to the downside. This could be wave one, two, and three to the downside. You see, so every step of the way, you have an option to go up or down based on the calculation and based on these Fibonacci numbers, right? So if you understand that, this market becomes piece of cake. It comes under your feet. You can literally know that exactly from here what is next, right? So you don't have to be in and out like few pips, 5 pips, 6 pips, like most of the people are doing. But you can actually trade and open a nice trade and hold it for the biggest amount of pippage. Like my trades, you can see that 70, 80, 100 pip, 150 pips, sometimes 200 pip, right? Because I know exactly if this is wave one and wave two and we're going for wave three, so why should I close here or here or here? I will hold all the way to it all depends on the calculation that you learn, that how they unfold. And this is how, Elliott wave and harmonic pattern together. And that's how I do all this mumbo jumbo and find out the turning points exactly. So if you want to learn all of that, yeah, you sign up for one-on-one. And by the way, I have a very good discount going on my website right now, which will end tonight, but as a lot of people are asking, so maybe I'm going to extend it to over the weekend as well, Saturday, Sunday. Maybe, I'll tell Umar, I'm going to ask him if he wants to do it, then we will extend it. Otherwise, it will be ending tonight. These are, well, where the heck is that? The combos, they were on somewhere here, man. I don't know. Yes, sir. This is these are monthly subscription. Where the combos are here, right? Yeah. So this one, very good. And you get any of these, and you get my expert advisor CTS5, which takes open the trade and close, not close, but open the trade, place the SL, and move the SL to break even to whatever you want, right? So these are on sale right now, and you can get this, and you can get with any of these, you get that robot for free. All right. So get it, and it makes your life very, very easy. All the trades that I take most of the time, I do my analysis, and then after that, I see that, okay, this thing is going to go up, and then I place my EA over there, as long only, and then look at the other way and do other things. And if that happens, he opens the trade automatically. So, that's why I'm having, but this week is not that good, right? I had only maybe 10, 12 trades. Last week, the week before that was like 40 trade average, right? But very bad week this week. But it's still, it's not bad as like losing, but, not making profit that much. So anyway, so this is what's happening now. And so, like I said, be aware of this goal. And I will make next video about Bitcoin. Very interesting right now. If you look at this chart here, where I'll make the video and I'll explain what the heck is happening here in um, Bitcoin as well, right? So it's about to go up big time. Anyway, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos. And this is it for now. And hopefully, talk to you guys later soon. And see you in my webinars. I'm gonna be doing webinar on Sunday. So if you join now, you subscribe, then you will be attending the webinar as well. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.